Hey again. So what we have until now, I could find the location of the device when the application is active, and also I could find the location of the device if the application is in background. But what if someone restarts his device? How would be able to listen to find his location? Okay, the process is really easy. I just define a broadcast receive, and I make this broadcast receive listening to the booting, like when the device is started. Then when the device started, I just directly restart the service, and bam, I'm done. So how to do that? Okay, the process is really easy. It's not something complex. So I would just here. Let me just minimize this one. I say, hey, I have broadcast receiver. So let me just define some broadcast receiver. I name it start with OS or start with OS. Okay, this is my broadcast receiver. This is the class. So I will define a class, name it start with broadcast receiver. This one should be instance of the broadcast receiver or child of broadcast receiver, and bam. So on the broadcast receiver, there is a method need to be implemented, which is this method onBind. So onBind have something I'm really interested in, which is the context. I know that maybe P0 is not something what they will have it in the future. They should have it as a context, name of the variable. And this one, they should have it as a name as an intent, not intent in this way, P0 or whatever. So okay, here I will start working. I say, hey, if the intent, okay, or just open a bracket, if intent, intent dot action, the action is coming, dot equal to what? To this action, which is Android intent action boot complete. If this is the action that coming from the intent, I do this way because you give me error because nullable. So if the process is boot completed, what I will do, just start the service. You know how I could start the service? I have here code in the main activity, the code that start the service here. Here is it. This is 2 lines. How to start the service. Just same code. I just move it to the service. What is voice? Sorry. So here I just have this one. This is base context. Should be changed to the context, which is mean this context. Start service should be context dot start service. And bam, I'm done. So now this one, whenever the device will boot in, this function will be called. But I need to do some registration. First of all, I need to register this service in the main phase. So I have to go to the main phase. I say, hey, I have the service, or I have the broadcast receiver. So the receiver that I have it, which name is this one. So this is my broadcast receiver that should listen to what? This broadcast receiver should listen to any boot in. So I would say, okay, because this one should be listened to something, I will add filter for it. So I would say intent filter, and I give it priority number. You have to give it a priority number, because if you don't give it a priority number, in many devices will not be run because they don't have priority number, or it will not run many devices because you don't have priority number. Give it this number. You could give it any number. So just to make sure, you have to add a priority number to your device or to your broadcast receiver. Then define the action for it. Well, the name of it should be intent boot complete. This one, that's me. I want it to be boot complete. And also don't forget the category should be intent name default one, this one. So that's mean, hey, I have a filter. This receiver will work only if the process is boot complete. When the boot complete, you just call the service and he start the service for you, and bam, he done. One final thing, I need to have a permission also for boot complete. So I say, hey, use permission, and I give it name. I give name in boot receive boot completed, and bam, I should be all set. So make sure from this, and make sure you give it the priority number, because when you upload in the store many devices, he will not work on many devices, because some devices need the receiver or broadcast receiver to have specific priority number. So here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.